Welcome back to the Diecast channel. Today, got a lot of stuff to go over. We got the Johnny Lightning Christine. Got this Sparky brand Porsche. I got some Matchbox. We got the red edition Mercedes. This Volvo. Got two red cars, 2020 Honda E and a Porsche 911 GT3. And we got some Hot Wheels. We got the Toyota Land Cruiser, and we got the 5-pack Motor Show, and then we got the 4 Kroger exclusives to go over: the Honda Civic, Porsche 911 GT3, 2017 Camaro, and the 88 Jeep Wagoneer. So excited to go those over. All right. And I think we can compare the Matchbox versus Hot Wheels. Be cool. All right, let's start off with some Matchbox. Let's start off with this Honda E. And there we go. Here's the base. Alright. Honda E. Weird little car. That is cool. Alright, up next for Matchbox, let's take a look at this 1986 Volvo 240. This thing's pretty sweet. There we go. Crack it open. And there we got it. There's the base, Volvo 240, front tampos, got the rear tampos, 1986 on the plate, Matchbox. This thing's sweet. Rolls real good. Alright. Next up, let's take a look at the red edition Mercedes-Benz 220 SE sedan. Alright. Let's crack it open. There we go. Here's the base. Sweet livery. Built by Matchbox. Hella. Where's the hella at? I don't see hella lights on here. That's cool. Sweet. It's a good looking car. Alright, next up, let's pull the Toyota Land Cruiser 80 from from the then and now. Here we go. There's the base. There's the livery, front tampos, got a push bar, spare tire, tinted windows. Ooh, this one rolls. Ooh, that one's sweet. Alright. Next, let's get into the motor show. Got the 2016 Ford GT Race, Crescendo 1967 Ford GT40 MK IV, Lamborghini Countach pace car, and the Aston Martin 177. The first 2016 Ford GT Race. There's the base. Fat wing. Got pretty cool wheels. Front tampos. White interior. Sweet. We got the Crescendo. And then we got the we got the Lamborghini Countach pace car. Here's the base. Pace car. Sweet. Rolls real nice. Then we got the 1967 Ford GT40. 6.7 livery. Here's the base. Sweet. Then last we got the Aston Martin. And here we go. We got the base. The wheels, pretty sick wheels. No rear tampos, only front tampos. Got the peanut butter guts. Alright, let's get into the two Porsches. Let's crack open the Matchbox first. Sweet. Red GT 911. Matchbox. That front grill is kind of weird though. Got the Porsche emblem on the front. Alright, let's crack the Hot Wheels. This one is from the Hot Wheels Exotics. Kroger exclusive. Here we go. Here's the base. Sweet wheels. Hot Wheels 2023. Sweet. Alright, next up, Hot Wheels. The 88 Jeep Wagoneer. Also a Kroger exclusive. Here's the base. Sweet color. Rolls nice. And then next up, we got the 2017 Camaro ZL1. It's matte grayish color. Here's the base. Side graphics. Got the hood scoop. ZL1. Black interior. Guess it's like kind of like a blue gray. Sweet. And then what I'm really excited about, Honda Civic Custom. Here's the base. Got the sweet wheels, orange interior, right-hand drive. Inside's gutted because race car. See a lot of wheel areas on this one, where they got the two big wheels on front and back. Sweet. Got the exhaust out of the hood. Sweet duckbill. That's sweet. Orange is nice. And then we got the Johnny Lightning. Christine, 1958 Plymouth Fury. Got the rubber wheels. Here's the base. Front tampos. Plymouth. Opening hood. Engine detail. Sweet. This car's sick. It's a good looking car right there. Alright, and then last but not least, we got this Sparky brand. Scale 1/64 diecast. Like that purple. Race livery. Here's the back. Alright, crack it open. Here we have it. Porsche 911 RSR Team Project 1 24 Hours of Le Mans 2020. This thing's got some crazy detail. Let's see if I can get it off the base. That's sick. Look, it just kind of like snaps in and twists on. Sweet. Here's the race livery. Wings. This thing's got good detail. Fat wing. Get the team project. Be cool, be fast, be first. White roll cage. Got the rubber wheels. Here's the base. Doesn't roll. But it looks good. Not gonna be fast with that. It looks good sitting still though. All right. What's your favorite? I think I have to go with the white Porsche. One of my favorites. I do like the Land Cruiser. Honda Civic. Let me know what your favorite is. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.